fenced-in yard. Macy'd be very happy out here. I like the space. You've got the honor. Go ahead. Wow. Well, here's the space. This is your ceiling height you've been looking for. My goodness. There's the storage room you're looking for. Here's the other spaces I'm looking for. Let's take a look at this kitchen. Yeah, no, Ted, this kitchen's a no. This is a no. I can this is a party space, not a rental property. I concur. The yard is great. The kitchen is way too short. I love big open spaces, but the main house is not out. This place lists as a guest house, but I could never rent this out to anybody. Not as a guest house, as a party space or an event location.